Hey guys, here's an update on covering up my tool organization. So my dad had a bunch of these magnets laying around, so he said I could use them. So I put one there, one there, one there, one there. You'll see them all. I pretty much covered it all the way every side possible, so it has no chance of moving this plastic around. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.